Dear children, let us start case study number 4 for class 10 science from MCQ School channel. MCQ School is going to cover all chapters case-based questions in coming videos. In the case of case study number 4, we are going to discuss displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So in this, one paragraph is given to understand a displacement reaction is one in which an element of compound is replaced by another element. For example, when aqueous copper sulfate, blue color, a strip of zinc is placed, it reacts faster as the displacement reaction as it is shown. Copper sulfate, blue color, reacts with the zinc to form zinc sulfate, colorless, and copper. So in this blue color copper sulfate color removes and it forms colorless solution of zinc sulfate. So this is sort of AB plus C, CB plus A. Double displacement reaction, two reacting compound exchange their corresponding ions and forms two new compounds, like in this case AB plus CD forms AD plus CB. For example, double displacement reaction take place when sodium sulfate and barium chloride are mixed together. These are mixed together. Then sodium chloride and barium sulfate precipitate is formed. So after reading that paragraph, so we are going to take the questions. Question number 1, displacement reaction is also known as, options are substitution reaction, combination reaction, precipitation reaction, none of above. So what is the answer as per you? In the case of representative reaction, AB plus C of the displacement reaction forms CB plus A. In this, A and C interchange are substituted to each other to form new compound and element. Similarly, we have examples sodium bromide plus chlorine. In this, chlorine and bromine interchange substituted to each other to form new compound and another element. Similarly, copper plus silver nitrate, silver and copper interchange and form substitution to form a compound copper nitrate and single element silver. So this is also known as substitution reactions and also known as metathesis reaction also. Let us take question number 2. In copper sulfate solution, on keeping the iron nail dipped for about 30 minutes, the changes you will observe is A. Iron nail become brownish in color and blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to orange. Second option is iron nail become bluish in color and copper sulfate blue color fades. Third, iron nail become brownish in color and blue color of copper sulfate fades. Fourth option is no reaction take place. To understand this, we must know the reactivity series. And the mantra for this is काले नाथ के महंगे आलू जरा फीके पड़े हैं क्यों आप आज आए पिटने. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold and potassium. So you would notice that iron is more reactive than the copper in this. To understand this, we must know the reaction of copper sulfate aqueous with the iron nails. It forms iron sulfate and copper, which is brownish color. So their brownish color coating forms on the nails. And iron, because iron is more active than the copper, hence it can displace copper from its solution. Hence the answer is iron nail become brownish in color. This brownish is nothing but copper, which forms copper coating forms on the iron. and the blue color of the copper sulfate fades to form pale green. Let us take question number 3. The color of the precipitate obtained when sodium chloride and aqueous silver nitrate are mixed will be A. Green, B. Yellow, C. Orange, D. White. So what is the answer as per you? To understand this, we must know the reaction, double displacement reaction, that is silver nitrate, aqueous and sodium chloride react to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So this silver chloride is nothing but white precipitate which forms. So the answer is white. Let us take question number 4. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed into an copper sulfate aqueous solution, what happens? Options are A. Black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained. B. Yellow precipitate of copper oxide is obtained. C. Displacement reaction take place. Option fourth, D. Both B and C. So what is the answer as per you? To understand this, we must be knowing the reaction or double displacement reaction. Copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide gas react to form copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. So this is nothing but black precipitate which forms copper sulfide. So black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained in this. The answer is A. We would meet on video of class 10 science case study 5 from MCQ school very soon. Thank you very much. Please press bell icon and subscribe MCQ channel to get new video notifications. Thank you. Thank you very much.